How you doing? I'm Matt with 731woodworks.com. Today I want to show you a quick tip on how to fill knot holes or to fill a crack in wood. So you've got your wood ready and you notice that there's a knot hole that has a crack all the way around it, or there's a split in the wood and you don't want to throw your piece away. I've got a solution for you, especially if you're staining a dark color or if you're painting. So this is CA glue, but it's made by Starbond, which I highly recommend. Starbond medium thick, and it has an accelerator which makes it dry in less than 30 seconds. Let me show you how it works. So I'd actually never even heard of CA glue until I had been woodworking for quite a while, and then even then I still wouldn't use it because I didn't really know how. So I don't want this knot to pop out at any point. Also, it has a crack all the way around it that's down in there, and I want to fill that so that when I sand this, it's going to be smooth. So I'll take this CA glue, Starbond medium thick, go all the way around it, let that seep in just a little bit. I'm going to spray this, and then I'm going to start the timer. After 30 seconds, we're going to come back and test this, see if it's dry. You can actually sand that now. It's totally dry. That hole is filled, and when I sand it, it'll be smooth. I've locked that in now. That knot will not come out of there. It's smooth, smooth, smooth. There's a little bit of divot in the middle I can feel if I want to. I've locked in every one of these knot holes with that CA glue. It dries super fast and it's very easy to use. So this is just a board. It's got a split in it. Splits all the way through. You see this a lot on these thinner spruce boards. Right at the ends they will split. A lot of times you may not notice them until they're actually already put together in your project. And that's another thing this CA glue is really good for, is to go ahead and hide that split, and it also seals it up so you don't have to worry about it coming apart later. We're going to sand this smooth, so you just make sure you fill that gap up. Let it seep down in there. I'm just applying it just a little bit liberally. We'll take our accelerator. We know that 30 seconds later that's going to be dry enough to sand. Once that's dry, we will apply a stain to it, and I'll show you what it looks like when there's stain on it. This is black. You get a brown color that blends in much better with stain. Since that didn't fill it up all the way, it actually penetrated down in there, and that's what we wanted. I'm gonna go ahead and just, this bottle's almost empty. Maybe it is empty. That one's empty, but luckily I have a backup. It comes with these tips that you just cut with a razor or whatever. Just two different ones, and I guess in case one seals up on you. I typically just take a box knife. Just a small opening is all you really want. That's all I care to have. Accelerator again. Be sure to put the cap on. That'll preserve it for a very long time. If you painted this right here with both sides sealed up, you would never ever know that there was a split in that board. We'll go ahead and stain this piece. It's got that CA glue that filled that crack. I'll let you see what it looks like when you stain a piece with it. Now I did not use pre-stained conditioner on this, so you'll see some blotchiness there. Just wipe that excess off. From that angle, can you even see that there's a gap that's been filled? I mean, it's hardly noticeable. Of course, you can see the crack there. When you turn it up on the stain side, you can see it running down through there, but you're gonna have to really look for it. If you get brown Starbond CA glue, put in that crack, it's gonna be virtually invisible when you stain that. So if you don't have CA glue in your shop, I highly recommend you hit that link in the description below. Go buy you some, the black and the brown. Go ahead and buy both of them. Get that accelerator. This stuff works fantastic. Every woodworker should have it in their shop. You can fill knot holes, you can fill cracks, you can sand it. It's great. As far as strength goes, if you're gluing things together, use wood glue, but for filling cracks, filling those knot holes up, and being able to sand it back smooth, this stuff is phenomenal. I'm telling you, you need it. Hey, if you like this video, click that box right there. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you watch that next video, you get that virtual fist bump that you've been waiting for. If you like these type videos, go ahead and comment below and let me know that you like this. I'll keep making more.